there, my name is Paige. Let's talk about passive income. So there are two types of income, active income and passive income. Active income is all about trading your time for money. This is what most people do, and basically you work on a job or a project in order for you to get paid. Now you see, active income means that you need to keep working in order for you to keep earning. Passive income, on the other hand, is income earned after you work hard once. This means you continuously get paid for work that you did in the past. This means you can earn money even without real-time presence. And what that means is, this is basically the money you earn while you sleep, while you're on vacation, and even after you die. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn money even after you die. For example, the king of pop, Michael Jackson, who passed away in 2009, earned $74 million in his estate in 2015. That's 6 years after his death. So you might ask, well, what's the point of earning money after you die? Well, suppose you're into building a legacy. Passive income earned after you die allows you to create something that actually benefits not just you in the present moment, your family in the present moment, but also your grandchildren and many generations to come. That means even after you die, you get to contribute to making this world a better place. But if that's not something that tickles your fancy, just think about this. If you had an extra $1,000 of passive income coming in every month, how much time would that free up for you? What would you do with that time? Passive income allows you to buy back time. It allows you to create flexibility and freedom in your lifestyle so that you're not tied to a job and you get to decide when you want to work and to take time off when you want to. So how do you start creating passive income? A common example is writing and publishing a book. So if you think about this, an author does the work up front. They write and they publish the book, but even years after the book has been published, they still continue to receive royalty payments from that book. The same concept is applied to digital and physical products, investing in real estate, ad placement revenue, as well as franchising models. And at the time of this recording, my family and I are earning passive income through Amazon Kindle books, our affiliate commissions, our virtual agency, and also ad placement on this YouTube channel. I'm sure by now this is all making sense to you, and you're probably even excited to start creating passive income for yourself and your family. And if you want specific guidance and strategy from me on how you can create passive income now, you can book a consultation in the description link below. Now, don't mistake passive income for lazy money. A lot of people say they want something, but they're actually not willing to do the work. Remember, success responds to deserve, not want. Passive income is not about easy money or not working at all. Passive income requires you to do the work upfront in the opportunity for you to create income, ongoing income, months and years, and even for the rest of your life. So let me ask you, if you have at least $1,000 of passive income, what change would that bring in your life? Leave it in the comments below. And if you want to learn more on how to create freedom and flexibility in your life, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so that you get notified when my next video is up. Here's to mastering your life and your business.